World War II was a conflict that saw major technological changes. It started out with basically World War I biplanes and got all the way to the V-2 ballistic rocket. And in between, there was some fascinating, almost science fiction-like things like the Messerschmitt Comet rocket fighter and the Me-262 jet fighter. But what the Allies discovered at the end of the war was all kinds of drawing room dreams of vengeance machines, stuff straight out of science fiction. This has become a big part of the hobby. It's sometimes known as Luftwaffe in 1946, or what if the war had gone beyond 1945. We would like to present to you today a newly arrived collection of Modelcollect models that actually cover these kinds of topics. I hope you find them as exciting as we do. The war had gone on longer. Things had turned out differently. Who knows what might have happened?
There we go.
Germans always looking for a wonder weapon to change the course of the war. These are the crazy land vehicles. Then we got the crazy air vehicles. Apparently no prototype. It merely existed as some kind of rough sketch on a piece of paper. Both sides had fantasies of crazy aircraft. Same one again. But for something completely different. So all parties, all air forces had their own visions of what the future could be. Same. And these are good looking models. They look like they have a high degree of detail. I mean, there's even a fictional cockpit in there based on similar aircraft types, I'm sure. Again, based on the, what is it, the Lippisch wing design, which was experimented with thoroughly. They're just more the same. This one was getting buzz, so we got lots of them.
Fantastic.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.